multiplication of mixed fractions. Basically, it is important to know that there are 3 steps someone must to follow. And for those who are teaching the primary, most especially the upper primary, it's important to firstly state these 3 basic steps before you give any examples you want to give. Let me highlight those steps for us. Step number 1, convert the mixed fractions into improper fractions. Step number 2, we need to multiply the numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator, meaning the top should be multiplied with the top, while the bottom should be multiplied by the bottom. Multiply numerators and multiply corresponding denominators. Step 3. Step 3 may be necessary, it may not be necessary, depend on the answer we get. If we get the answer as whole number, we don't need to go ahead with step 3. If we get answer as a proper fraction, we don't need to go ahead with step 3. But if our answer is a mixed fraction or the fraction we can reduce, then we need to go ahead with step 3. Reduce the fractions into lowest form or convert. Answer to mixed fraction if necessary. This very step is on condition, depend on the type of the answer we get. Let's say, for instance, this 3 whole number 2 over 7 multiplied by 2 whole number 3 over 5. So the first thing we do is to multiply this together. If we say 3 multiplied by 7, we are going to have 21. So the first step to take care is multiplication. Then the next step to take care is addition. We now say 21 plus 2 all over 7. Multiply by, we do the same thing here by taking multiplication. That's 2 times 5, that will give us 10. Plus this 3 all over denominator 5. That's the first step we are going to take there. 21 plus 2 will give us 23 over 7. Multiply by 10 plus 3 will give us 13 over 5. Now, here is the numerator and numerator that we are referring to in this place, that we should multiply the numerators. Then this and these are the denominators we are talking about. So meaning these two will be multiplied together. That's 23 multiplied by 13. We can do it by the side. 23 times 13. You have 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is 6. You have 1 times 3. You have 3. 1 times 2. You have 2. So that you have 9. You have 9 to 299. 299 divided by this one too. We are going to multiply it. That's 7 times 5. That will give us 35 direct. So if we look at this, you realize that it's in improper fraction. Why is it improper? Because the numerator is more than the denominator here. So therefore we can say how many 35 we are going to have in this. For the sake of simplicity, you can keep on adding 35. You have 35 plus 35. You are going to have 70 plus 35. You are going to have 105 plus another 35. You have 140 plus 35. You have 175 plus another 35. You have 0, 1, 2. It's not up to this. You add another 35. You have 5, 4, 2. Add another 35. You have 0, 8, 2. If you look at this, you realize that if you add another 35 to this, it will be more than 299. Then you count how many number of 35 you have added together, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So meaning you have 8 of them. Then you now, for you to know the remainder, what you need to do is just to say 299, which is this your numerator, minus 280, which is the numbers, multiplied by this you have in it. So that you have 9 minus this, you have 9. You have 9 minus 8, you have 1. So this minus this, you have 0. Meaning the remainder is 19. Then you have 19 over denominator, which is 35. These are the necessary steps we need to take while we are multiplying the mixed fractions. Thank you.